This video shows the custom map styles and zoom configuration flow. First, we go to the settings menu and open general settings. Then we scroll to the Google API key section. Here we can see the new map configuration options, default map type and default zoom level. Now we select the default map type. For example, we can choose road map, satellite, hybrid or terrain based on the business requirement. After that, we set the default zoom level. For example, if the user wants a closer location view, they can set zoom level 18. If they want a wider area view, they can set a lower zoom level like 10. After setting the map type and zoom level, we click save. Now we go to the contacts app and open any contact with a saved Google location. As you can see, the map preview is displayed using the configured default map type. The map also opens with the configured zoom level. For example, if satellite is selected in settings, the contact map preview opens in satellite view. If terrain is selected, the map preview opens in terrain view. In the same way, the default zoom level controls how close or far the map is displayed. So with this feature, users can configure the default map style and zoom level from settings, and the same configuration is automatically applied on the contact form map preview.